Namaskar, most respected and esteemed dignitaries on the dais, and in particular, Sri Sridhar Vembuji, Sri Bhaiyaji Joshi ji, Sri Sapatra ji, Sri Sadan Kumar Pujal ji, so many of my friends here, my good friend Guru Murthy, Mr. Baji Subramaniam, the Learned Additional Solicitor General, Sri R. Sundaresan, Mr. Suryana, difficult for me to mention all the names. Two of those who assisted me in the Ayodhya case are also here. The live wire is Mr. Yogeshwar is here. My Chamber Junior, Mr. Anil Sharmaji is here. I was wondering whether I am a very odd person to speak in a different language when I should have spoken only in Hindi. With such a wise person like Bhaiyaji saved me. I said, you are wrong. How are you going to save me today? He chose Mr. Bhaiyaji to speak in English before me and saved me. When Rajaji was Chief Minister, he introduced Hindi. I wish it had continued. But he introduced it only for 3 standards. The third form, fourth form, and fourth. First form, second form, and third form. I was in third form. When he introduced it, only a few months were left. And unfortunately, the English they came and told me, don't worry about Hindi, even if you get 0, you will be given pass. I wish he had not told me that. Still I had to write something in the answer book. God had given me the capacity to mug up. I will mug up every lesson, whether I understand or not, because I know the script Devanagari. So I will mug up. Ramdas ek Batra wali रेलगाड़ी से बता आया, उसकी एक बूढ़ी दादी थी, like this, and don't read. I could have done that here also today, but it will again be odd. The flow will not be there. And when I saw the article of Bhaiyaji, I became diffident whether my flow will be as good as his. And had I chosen to become a lawyer, I might not have become the Attorney General. You will be the Attorney General. Such is his ability to articulate. Now, after hearing him here, I could all this. But a person, he is so dedicated in this task and dedicated himself also 30 years. The way he is working, one must go to Ayodhya and see to begin with. He was working at least 20 hours per day. During the hearing of the case, for several months, he used to come to the conference and sit there, and sometimes suggesting points also. Yes, and he attended the court on all the hearing days. I am very happy at this occasion, but I felt too humble. It is very difficult to be hearing somebody praising. One should never be happy at somebody praising. One should feel humble. And I see dignity here and the elites who have come here, I felt too humble. Because men usually succumb to flattery. It is said that Caesar can never be flattered. 2 persons took a bet. One person said, I will flatter him and make him fall for flatter. He went there. Both went there. He told Caesar, you are the only king whom I have seen. Nobody can flatter you. And you don't succumb to flattery. He got succumbed to flattery. This is very difficult to be hearing about your own face. But it is a function like this, one can't help it. This, I have always been saying that it is not our acts. It is sankalpa of the Lord which happens. It is not by choice of ours, it is by the choice of God. A great scientist, Albert Einstein, said, everything is determined as at the beginning as well as the end by forces over which we have no control. It is determined for the insects as well as for the stars, human beings, vegetables, or even to cosmic dust. We all dance to a mysterious tune intoned in the distance by an invisible piper. That invisible piper is the Lord Himself. It is the claim for this ayodhya fight has been going on so many years. It is by the Mughal rule, during the Mughal rule we lost the ayodhya. And the Lord determined I should come back there as in my Achyavutari. And He had chosen so many as His instruments. I said in Bhagavad Gita, Nimitta Matam Sabhisati. Therefore, Arjuna, you are only Sabhisati, you are only a Nimitta Matam. I have fought the battle already. The Kauravas have been killed. For the outside world I am presenting you as Nimitta. We are all only Nimitta Matam. Everyone here is a great sadhu. Everybody assembled here is a great sadhu. But with the opening welcome speech, the speaker said, Sailena Manikam, Mauktikam Nagajayaje, Sadho Nag Sarvatra, Sandanam Nagane. I recalled in memory what Lord Ram said to Lakshmana. When they see Jatayu, having fallen on the ground after his wings were being cut, after had been cut by Ravana. Ram told Lakshmana, because first he took him, that he might have eaten Sita. That's an ordinary human being. First find the fault. Then try to reconcile it, then rectify yourself. Rama says, Sarvatra kalu drishyante sadhavo dharmanchaya. We think there are no sadhus. Even in such a place we find a sadhu. That's what he says. Therefore, he also said there are so many other people whom we may not know. And Satya's Grace says in his poem, some mute, inglorious Milton here bears. We don't know, there are so many sadhus. And it is the prayers of all those sadhus which fructified into the decision in the Supreme Court case. Even that was not a single work of mine. My son and Mr. Yogesh and I read the papers for 3 years. 40,000 pages of oral evidence, 4,500 pages of High Court judgment, more than 300 documents in Urdu, in Hindi, in Persian, in English, in Sanskrit. They are all translated. And I am a cipher in the modern technology. Except answering phone calls on my cell phone and receiving calls. I don't know anything. I don't know this computer and all those laptops and other things. So I had to make notes and all this matter. But it is the divine grace. I have been, as he said, including a few surgeries from Valmiki Ramayana from beginning to end, my morning prayers. He blessed me. I am a regular worshipper of Adv Parasaran. the Gita church. Therefore, most of the arguments came through him. In fact, originally I had prepared to argue for the Hindu worshippers. I was told a couple of days before that I should argue for Lord Rama also. Ramchandra. She's for arguing for the worshippers. That is for arguing for the worship. I had prepared new arguments. It was Lord Rama at a very stage. I would have been in great difficulty if I started at 10th. Delhi had not seen such a rain at that time. I reached the court, 10:30 is the court, I reached at 11:10. I just started the argument. The judges asked some other lawyer to argue that. For the Nirmoy Haka. He went on arguing. And judges could have told me even in the morning, at 2 o'clock you will start arguing. They didn't tell me till 1 o'clock when they rose. So I thought I am getting respect. 1 o'clock they were rising for lunch. Mr. Parasaran, at 2 o'clock he will commence arguments. I thought I am going to argue the suit in which the Hindu worshippers and Muslim worshippers were fighting. That was the lead case. When they assembled, they said you will argue the Ramlala case. Suit number, I think suit number 5. You could find my predicament very difficult. Because my preparation was not as much as I should have been for arguing for the Lord, because he is the worshipper. Argument is different, his argument is different. I had to manage 2 hours or 2.5 hours. The Lord was with me. Of course, we had the evening, night, next morning, then we could go on in an organized way. During arguments, I am telling all these things to show the hand of God. During arguments, I told the court, I read the entire papers, though Mr. Vaidyanathan was asked to, I asked him to read the evidence and read the matters, so that I confined myself to the area and law. I refer to the evidence of one of the witnesses on our side, to whom a question was put by the other side. Was there a labor room in Dasharatha's house? Not Dasharatha's house, was there a labor room there in his house? I said this type of question she asked, as he was a beggar, he was a poor man, could not afford a labor room in his palace. Judges were surprised. Did anybody say so? Give it. We had 40 volumes of war evidence. And during arguments, very frequently it was being taken and given to me by Yogeshwar and they all got mixed. So take time to trace it and give it. I was only reading it from my memory. Mr. Yogeshwar in there, in the 40 volumes, that volume was, all the books are arranged like this. That volume on the top was like this. He turns, that page comes. You get that passage. This is the hand of man. So, it is not the hand of man. It is the sankalpa of the Lord himself. The entire Valmiki Ramayana was already determined by a sankalpa of Lord Narayana. When Brahma and all devas went and prayed to him, he says, I have chosen Dasharatha as my father. The place of birth is mentioned predetermined. I cited this in the arguments before court. It determines the place where he will be born. It determines the father to whom he will be born. And he told the monkeys, you will all be born as monkeys. He told all devas. And Valmiki in his Ramayana gives the name of the father to whom each one of the monkeys were born. Meticulously gave about several monkeys, he says. Then Ravana had done so much prayer to Lord Shiva. Nobody could conquer it. He has conquered all the third worlds. Jetaram sarva lokana. Only if he commits a sin of such a heinous nature, he will perish. Otherwise not. Even Rama, when he first sees the battlefield, says, his own poet has written it, I cannot recall the poet, says, Jetaram sarva lokanam. Not a great fellow who has won all the worlds standing before. Swamukaihi Archite Ishwaram, who offered to Lord Shiva not a few paisa flowers, but his own head as flowers. Swamukaihi Archite Ishwaram. Ramana Stulita Kailasam Arati Bhakavajit. And such a person, when it came to a question of his belief, he would challenge even Lord Shiva and say Kailas. Aratim Bhakavajit. About shaming the enemy, he thought so. He will be vanquished only with a commission sin of greatest character. Only if he commits an abduction of the goddess herself, he will perish. Even then he will be punished. Kakasura was punished, he was not killed. One eye was taken away. But Ravana had to be killed. Then that offense should become aggravated. Abhichakrama Vaidehim Parivuraja Ruvatut. In the saffron robes of a Parivrajaka, he objected. Brought in disrepute to the entire Parivrajaka community. And that the one thing which is taboo for a Parivrajaka was that. Therefore he perished. Therefore everything was predestined. Unlike Krishna Avatar, where all his ranks are displayed, Rama Avatar, his 4 sons are born. Valmiki, how did that? The moment he mentions their birth, immediately Vishwamitra comes. Immediately, nothing else is mentioned. He takes them to his yajna water, immediately. And purpose, teach him Balam, Ati Balam, so they can conquer hunger, starvation. He can starve, he can conquer sleep, preparing for his 14 years. Then Vishwamitra teaches him Shastra. All the Shastra he learned when he had a battle with Vasishtha. He went to Lord Shiva and learned from him. All the Shastras, Shiva knows exhaustive. He teaches them both. Rama asked him also how to withdraw the Shastra which I gave. Stop to give and action. That also he learns. And Vasishtha failed in Sarana. He said, I will surrender. But yet he said, surrender. When Trisanka went to Vasishtha and his sons, he got a curse. The man who surrendered was not helped. Vishwamitra helped him to go to the heavens. So he succeeded in practical over Vasishtha failed. So Rama had to be taught also practical of. Already I have taught him. I finished in 2 weeks. I can't be giving lecture on that one. Like that, everything is predestined. His ayodhya case was predestined. Persons were chosen. Unless a person like the General Secretary of the Tanzania who is here now. I said General Secretary because he is General Secretary in charge. We say Thamarai. Things will not move. Appropriate persons he has chosen him, right? It is the hand of God. His function he has ordained as the hand of God. Such eminent dignitaries are here, spending short time, flying all the way from somewhere else. He has come all the way from Ayodhya. So many of them come. I am thankful to Lord Ram. I am thankful to each one of them. I am thankful to each one of you. A speech of response should not have been so long. I apologize for having taken more time. But then when once a person thinks about wrong, then he does not realize the time which is. So I am not at fault for that. It is against Sankalpa of Lord. I thank you individually, every one of you, and collectively, as brothers, you have got a right to bless me. And in spite of a so-called age is about last age. Jnana Buddha, Rama used to worship three types of people. Jnana Buddha, Sila Buddha, Aya Buddha, I also read. So there are so many Jnana Buddhas and Jnana Sila Buddhas here, and you are an assembly. Therefore, as sadhus, you have got a right and a duty to bless me. I seek the blessings of all of you collectively. May Lord be with us. May Lord Rama bless every one of us. Thank you very much.